The reptilian agenda is after the great flood of Atlantis 13,000 years ago, all the negative reptilians left this planet and they left their descendants. Who are their descendants? The cabal bankers, the ones who own all the central banks of this planet. And this is what it's actually about. The war is between humanity and these negative reptilians for power, for global domination, for Earth. How do the cabal mainly control Earth? They control Earth through their three main cities, which are Washington, which represents the military, London, which represents money and politics, all the banking system, and Rome, which is the Vatican and religion. So basically, religion, military-industrial complex, and money and politics. These are the three arms of the cabal, and they're all beginning to crumble. They no longer have the power they used to. Furthermore, these central bankers or the cabal or the Illuminati who own 99.9% of the wealth of our world, they also own all the politicians. So if you think there's hundreds of countries in this world, that's false. There's one country. The one world order has already been established. It just gives the illusion of many countries. If USA wants to ask India to do something, at the drop of a hat, India will do it. So who has the power? Everybody else is a puppet. The reptilians are the ones in charge. They create perpetual wars through the military-industrial complex. And to them, it does not matter which side wins. And if you notice, every president who represents the cabal, like Obama, like Biden, every president other than Trump has had a war in their regime. So what the positive military generals of the world did, they created a group called the Earth Alliance. It's a positive faction. It is very undercover, and it is composed of military generals. It's a very small and tight group. Probably less than a dozen people exist in the Earth Alliance because it could not include hundreds of people that nobody could trust. It had to be very few people who know they can trust each other. And Earth Alliance started forming somewhere after JFK's assassination. Now, why was JFK assassinated? 10 days before John F. Kennedy was assassinated, he declared publicly that he was going to expose the sinister agendas of the CIA and splinter that organization into 1,000 pieces. So he made a direct threat to the CIA, and that was the reason he was assassinated. So the same pattern has been happening in our world over and over and over. Akhenaten and Nefertiti, same thing. They were the players of Christ consciousness spreading light in ancient Egypt. They were killed by Amun-Ra. Amun-Ra was a negative extraterrestrial reptilian. So it's the same dynasties against the same people. It's the children of the law of one against the sons of Belial. This is like an age-old battle. It's not between Trump and Biden. This is an age-old battle that humanity has to try and get their head around.